doing?
Meeting up at Starbucks? 5 in the morning?
Yes.
I do.
Oh, you guys stay on that side.
Oh, sorry, my bad.
You can't know cutting.
You're gonna walk behind me?
Oh, cool. Show the people how many stars you got. Are you looking at me funny, Cole?
Alrighty, where are we going today?
We're going to the Peterson in LA, downtown. It's gonna be kind of far. Another long day. It's okay. The first sip, Cole? Don't mind if I do.
Get that first sip though.
Like a 7 out of 10 today. 7
You know,
out of
mine's
10.
pretty fire.
All right, well, I didn't ask you. Stop, I'm gonna get a massage real quick and go to the shop.
All right.
Bro. My God.
I was like, what did I kick? Traffic is insane though.
This traffic is nuts. What are we supposed to do?
What's going on, Carl?
So we had a little bit of a situation today. Claire's exhaust hanger cracked, and now her exhaust is like that, and has been waving high at Meljeezy for like the past half hour. So we're trying to fix it with zip ties.
With the zip tie.
Oh, good job, dude.
Yeah. Zip ties fix everything.
So now we're at Starbucks.
Damn it, did you get it?
Damn, you got the snacks?
Yeah. Want them?
Had to.
Why
You know you want the snacks. You know you want the snacks. So grab the snacks.
Yeah, grab the snack. That's a lot. You eat them off the floor anyways.
Eat that one.
You can't waste
No,
them.
he eats them. Oh,
Yeah,
I mean,
you can't waste them.
Yeah, eat them.
Hey, we can't afford goldfish like that. You seen the gas prices?
You buy them for me?
I know, my take's 130. My take's 133 bucks to fill.
We're gonna end up going,
We're gonna put that in slow-mo. You know, everyone eats in
10
slow-mo.
east, 110 north, 101.
The technique, baby.
Let's rock and roll, baby!
Hey, you made it. Yeah, we did.
Only V9 hibiscus, one of a kind. It's not a wrap. It's
What's going on, Mel?
I need sleep, guys.
I know it's time, huh?
It's that time.
Wanna play some cornhole?
other events you could have gone to today. It was a miss, but you come and hung out with us, so we really appreciate that.
Now you can get number one. Still have some change left over for $10. You can go and get a dozen donuts at Krispy Kreme for $10. You know what else you can do for $10?
What
You
else?
can get one of our brand new jet tags for $10.
We're all the way over there. You gotta go over there.
For $10. If you're not here, you can also DM us on Instagram.
Sick.
What else
Yo,
we
this
got?
gimbal is kind of heavy.
The other one left. Pretty sad. It's 3. Walk over here yet?
I haven't walked anywhere.
Look at this puddle. Why haven't you walked anywhere?
Yo, I'm gonna do something cool with the puddle. Watch. Hey, can you even see the puddle? Never mind. That was kind of whack.
We tried. We didn't succeed though. Don't worry though.
Hey. Yo.
What's up, guys? Does everyone know that Cole got his braces off?
Yo, this is a beautiful moment in the history of Kormodiv.
Banana man. But I'm on.
Best part about this skateboard is that I can actually
460-3205. 60-2295. Winner number 1. All right, coming down. Oh, look, you're serious. Going in here, if you got a ticket, you know, it's such a big box. Look at like this guy. He's going to have to fit that all in his car. What a shame. We all feel really bad for you.
The green S3. Nice color combo in that car.
Congratulations, man. Congratulations. Upstairs, right? Yeah. All right, here you go. Stay with us. We're going to take a picture of top 10.
There's two products.
Back to the raffle. Everybody still got your raffle ticket? Yay! Here you go. Only 3 ever produced.
You have the key in your
A
bag.
rare piece of automotive
Yeah, how did you get the car?
advertising. This is part of history. This is
I
priceless.
called it. You seen GTA?
And we've got 460-2433.
And it just rolls up.
Yeah.
There it is.
All right, there goes Euro 2021. It was amazing.
You know, SEMA is going to be such a wonderful time
Why you gotta say with the
next
fake
SEMA, because my Evo's going to be there next year.
All right, we're wrapping up Euro 21. Next meet is gonna be at SEMA, so you'll see us at SEMA. Look forward to that. But for now, that's a wrap.
I was like, what is like?